Puts up the two-pointer, puts it in! Jeremy Lin with 31! Gets inside, banks it in! Wow!
How about that? How about that?
Lin for three, bang!
Jeremy, you just closed out a game against Kobe Bryant. What enabled you to have the kind of night you did?
In February 2012, isa sa most unforgettable stories sa NBA ang sumikat. Ang New York Knicks ay pabagsak na, natalo sa 11 sa last 13 games nila. Si head coach Mike D'Antoni, wala nang sagot at pagod na, ay nag-decide na sumugal na lang. Lumapit siya kay Jeremy Lin, isang little-known guard na halos hindi naglaro sa court that season, na may 55 minutes lang. Ang nangyari next ay talaga namang sobrang incredible. Nag-step up si Lin at agad naging best player sa floor.
Move fancy, shot clock at 8, splits the defense again, gets to the rim, puts it in, and a foul! Wow!
Siya ang nag-take charge, leading all scorers with 25 points at 7 assists para ma-stop ang losing streak ng Knicks. Sabi ng skeptics ay tsamba lang, pero pinalinaw ni Lin sa doubters sa next game, umiskor siya ng 28 points at 8 assists.
Keeps it alive. Lin has to put it up. Bang! A three-pointer as the shot clock expires.
Then, dumating ang showdown kay John Wall at Washington Wizards. Lin was unstoppable. Nagbigay ulit ng masterclass with 23 points sa efficient na 9 for 14 shooting at nag-dish out ng 10 assists.
Straight times. Nobody stopping Jeremy Lin on that play.
Hindi makapaniwala ang basketball world. Linsanity was officially born.
Linsanity.
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 Linsanity. Linsanity.
Ito ay isang phenomenon na hindi pa nakita ng buong basketball world ever. I mean, heto ang isang player of Asian descent na ginawa ang NBA na personal playground niya. Nag-dominate sa paraan na labas sa expectations.
Now pulls up for the jump shot. Got it off the glass.
Pero habang lumalapit ang schedule, alam ng buong mundo kung ano ang next. In February 10th, 2012, si Kobe Bryant, ang Black Mamba, ang NBA's leading scorer at the time, ay papunta sa Madison Square Garden kasama ang Los Angeles Lakers. At sa pre-game interview, binaliwala ni Kobe ang hype. Nagpretend na wala siyang alam sa Jeremy Lin frenzy na sumisikat sa league.
You go to New York and you deal with the Linsanity. Have you been following that story at all?
What?
Jeremy Lin, are you following that story at all?
No idea. I know who he is, but I don't really know what's going on too much.
Let's be real here for a sec. Alam ko, alam mo, alam nating lahat na fully aware si Kobe sa Linsanity phenomenon noon pa. But regardless, narinig ni Jeremy Lin ang slander ng loud and clear. At sa fateful day na ito, si Kobe Bryant ay makakakuha ng front row VIP pass sa Linsanity show.
Lin on the drive, gets inside, banks it in. Kobe Bryant, that's good. Bryant answers right back. What a duel, and who thought it'd be these two?
Kung talagang hindi kilala ni Kobe Bryant kung sino si Jeremy Lin, matututo siya agad dahil hindi nagsayang ng time si Lin para magpakitang gilas. Lumabas siyang on fire, nag-set ng tone early, hindi lang sa scoring, kundi sa pag-orchestrate ng game na may flair straight out sa Steve Nash playbook.
Good fade ahead and Chandler throws it down.
Early stages pa lang ang game, pero ang Linsanity ay in full swing na at mag-isang winasak ni Lin ang Lakers. Now, wala man akong degree sa body language, pero hindi mo kailangan noon para makita na hindi masaya si Kobe kung paano ginawang highlight reel ni Lin ang team niya. As you might expect, si Kobe, na fierce competitor sa both ends ng floor, ay nag-decide na suluhin ito at personally na nag-step up para bantayan si Lin. Si Lin, however, ay hindi hinayaan ang pride o ego na mag-dictate sa game niya. Instead na mag-force at sumugod directly kay Kobe, nag-stay siyang composed, nag-focus sa making right plays, at ang decisions na yun ay naging buckets.
11 from the field. Novak will try again. That's good. He's had 5 threes in each of the last 2 games.
Kung hindi sineryoso ni Kobe ang Linsanity sa start ng game, Hindi nagtagal ay na-realize niya na no choice siya kundi seryosohin ito. Dahil sa scoreboard, he was getting Lin sanitized. Sa start ng second quarter, clear na nag-adjust si Kobe at ang Lakers sa game plan para makontain si Jeremy Lin by getting physical sa kanya.
Right now, if we look at Lynn's arms, all right, he'd be red because Blake just hit him there at least 4 times.
Ang hindi nila na-realize ay unstoppable ang Linsanity that night, fully unleashed at ayaw magpa-contain.
Knocks it down and a foul. They put a body that time. And Lin with a chance for a three-point play.
I don't think he's worrying very much about the body contact.
Si Jeremy Lin ay electric at this point, fired up but thriving. He was having his cake and eating it too. Funny enough, noong napansin ito ni Kobe, nag-check back siya sa game. Kung ano man ang spectacle na ito na hindi pa niya na-encounter sa career niya, hindi niya ito nagustuhan at determined siyang i-shut down ito agad. Nag-start si Kobe sa ginagawa niya best, diving deep sa arsenal of moves niya at nag-switch sa full-on Black Mamba mode, determined na tapusin ang nakita niyang madness. Kahit hindi pumapasok ang shots niya, relentlessly siyang nag-attack sa rim, pumunta sa free throw line at na-knock down ang mga ito with precision. Ang intensity niya nag-spark sa team at maya-maya ang potential blowout ay naging tightly contested game.
Left open, knocks it down, and it's a 5-point game.
By now, ramdam na ni Jeremy Lin ang pressure na tumataas, habang si Kobe Bryant nag-start ng makasmell ng blood sa water, o kaya ganoon ang hitsura. Going toe-to-toe sa Black Mamba, lumaban si Lin with fearless determination at nag-shift sa full Linsanity mode, leaving everyone in awe.
Sensational play for Jeremy Lin. And the
he's
Stark
enjoying.
crowd on its feet again.
In an instant, ang roles ay nag-reverse. Ngayon si Kobe na ang nakaka-feel ng pressure, nag-miss ng shot sa isang end tapos pinanood si Lin mag-capitalize sa transition bucket sa kabila. Nakatayo ang crowd at sino ang magbe-blame sa kanila. Nanonood sila ng isa sa most unbelievable NBA stories na nangyayari in real time laban sa isa sa game's all-time greats. Ang Lakers ay no choice kundi mag-call ng timeout at habang naglalakad si Kobe sa bench, clear na ito ang first true welcome to Linsanity moment niya. Anong sinabi sa timeout? Who knows? Pero one thing is certain, after nung short break, si Kobe at ang Lakers ay laser-focused na i-shut down si Lin. I mean, locked in si Kobe, nag-drop sa kanyang signature defensive stance, making it crystal clear kay Lin na personal ito at alam niya exactly kung sino ang kalaban niya. Ang other Lakers, kasama si Fisher, ay nagpi-make clear kay Lin na things are about to get serious. At halftime, 8-point game pa rin, open pa rin for anybody's taking. Pero ang standout player of the night, none other than ang guy na sabi ni Kobe ay little lang ang alam niya. At habang naglalakad si Kobe sa tunnel, you could bet na ang player na yun lang ang nasa mind niya. Hindi masaya tignan si Kobe nung nag-start ang second half. I mean, missed shot sa isang end. Nag-score si Lin sa kabila tapos na double team si Kobe bago pa mag-cross ng half court. Sobrang tough na opening stretch, to say the least. Ginagawa ni Kobe ang everything he could para ma-will ang sarili sa game, digging deep sa kanyang arsenal of moves. Pero sometimes, gabi lang talaga na ang shots refuse to fall.
Kobe Bryant continues to struggle from the field, 1 for 9.
Ang nakaka-admire kay Kobe, though, ay ang refusal niyang mag-back down sa challenge. Kahit hindi pumapasok ang shots niya, hindi siya nag-hesitate na i-take ang defensive task na bantayan ang rising phenomenon na ito. Meanwhile, patuloy si Lin sa making all the right plays, keeping the Knicks firmly ahead na may double-digit lead.
The pass from Lin to the opposite corner, and then Walker fakes the 3 and takes it to the hole.
And then, nangyari na. Finally, pumasok din ang shot ni Kobe. Ironically, ito pa ang most difficult na tinira niya all game.
1 for 11, that's one of the toughest shots he's taken tonight.
Mike, the angle.
Sabi nila, all a scorer needs ay makakita ng one shot na pumasok at iyon exactly ang nangyari kay Kobe. In the blink of an eye, ang 12-point lead ay naging 4 na lang, leaving the arena buzzing. Sa rest ng third quarter, naging back-and-forth showdown ito kung saan Kobe at Lin ay trading buckets whether sa free throw line o from the field. Ito ang Black Mamba going head-to-head sa Lin's sanity sa isang battle for the ages.
What a duel! And who thought it'd be these two?
The crowd was in for a show that night dahil ang fourth quarter ay nag-pick up right where ang third quarter had left off. Earlier, amoy ni Kobe ang blood pero now, mukhang matitikman na niya ito. With the Lakers turning the lead to just 3, nakita na ni Mike D'Antoni na enough na. Time na para mag-turn back sa Lin's sanity. Tinawag si Lin from the bench with a clear message. We need you back in the game. And Lin? He wasted no time na mag-regain ng control, getting the Knicks offense back on track. Just moments ago, ang game ay naging 3-point margin. Pero within minutes pagbalik ni Lin sa game, na-stretch ulit ng Knicks sa 9-point lead. Si Jeremy Lin ay single-handedly keeping Kobe Bryant at ang Lakers at bay.
Pull-up jump shot. Knocks it down. 29.
Diyan na nag-crank up a notch si Kobe, pulling out all kinds of crazy moves para makip ang fight alive.
What a play from Kobe Bryant.
Talk about heads up. He was double-teamed.
Still though, every time na mag-launch ng attack si Kobe, Lin answered right back, matching him eye for eye.
Crowd wants him. Puts up the two-pointer. Puts it in. Jeremy Lin with 31.
Ang crowd ay going wild and why not? Ito na, without a doubt, ang peak ng Lin's sanity. Once again, binigay ni Kobe ang all niya para i-shut down ito, picking Lin up full court. Pero this time, Lin blew past him with ease, dished it out at sa beautiful chaos ng basketball, ang ball ay bumalik kay Lin sa corner kung saan calmly niyang drinil ang 3.
Lin for 3. Bang!
By this point, si Kobe ay seemed a bit deflated at sino ba naman ang hindi? Ang guy na pinick up niya sa half-court moments ago ay nagbury ng 3, pushing his team's lead to 13 na may 5.5 minutes left sa fourth. At si Jeremy Lin, likely ito na ang pinnacle ng career niya, showing Kobe Bryant isa sa greatest players of all time kung sino ang in charge right at home sa Madison Square Garden under the bright lights ng Big Apple. Pero Kobe never gives up. Ginawa niya everything in his power, stealing the ball, scoring relentlessly, at nag-throw in pa ng trash talk aim sa Knicks head coach. Si Lin, however, ay nag-deliver ng dagger sa isang smooth drive na nag-seal ng deal laban kay Kobe at sa Lakers.
Gets inside, banks it in! Wow!
Madison Square Garden erupted. The crowd was on their feet, roaring. At kahit si Carmelo Anthony ay couldn't help but stand at soak in ang moment. One thing about Kobe ay undeniable. Never siyang nag-give up until the final buzzer. Ang quit ay simply doesn't exist sa Kobe's vocabulary at alam ng commentators iyan all too well. Just listen to this. It's a 5-point game in the mixer sa free throw line.
Another missed free throw.
Main thing is, you got to get one. Because we know that's a 2-possession game, but you do not want Kobe to come down and be able to get 2 threes.
Kahit 15 seconds left na lang at may 6-point cushion, they couldn't help but fear kung anong kayang i-pull off ni Kobe. Si Kobe at ang Lakers ay may one last chance to make it a game. Pero ang fate had other plans. Si Kobe ay natisod at natumba. At sa stumble na yon, ang game ay effectively over. Anyway, si Lin ay mukhang hardly believe na tinalo niya just now si Kobe Bryant. At si Kobe, well, clear na now fully understood na niya kung ano ang Linsanity all about. And just like that, ang legend ng Linsanity ay continued to grow.
And the Knicks will win it. Linsanity continues.
After ng game, tinanong si Lin kung kilala na siya ngayon ni Kobe. Here's kung anong sinabi niya.
Jeremy, you knew somebody was going to ask you this, but do you think Kobe knows who you are now?
Well, you guys had to ask Kobe, so I don't know. Maybe he helped me up today during the game, so he might know who I am.